Hello and welcome to everybody to my channel SG Fine Art. Today I am going to paint this magical landscape with the majestic tree. This is a short version of the painting. You can find the longer version from the link in the description box or from the playlist. I am using a 14" by 28" pre-toned smooth cotton canvas panel for this painting. I have already sketched the drawing with a pencil. Now I mark the darkest of darks with mixture of ultramarine and alizarin crimson diluted with mineral spirit. Then I cover the blanks with a very liquid mixture of sap green, vermilion and lemon yellow. I use linseed oil with just a blob of liquid or 2 to 3 drops of paint dryer to quicken the drying time. Next I cover the whole sky. The colors I am using are Prussian blue, ultramarine, Payne's grey, lemon yellow and titanium white in various proportions. Next I paint quite a few tree holes. Those bring tree to life. Next I cover the whole tree with a thick mixture of sap green, ultramarine, burnt sienna, cadmium yellow and titanium white, which bring rich and golden color. I continue to work with shadow, dark areas and ground light and shadow shapes. Once I feel satisfied with the values, I start with the detailing. You can do as many detail you want. I leave the highlights for the last. I request you all to subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos into groups. You can press the bell button so that you get future notification for future videos. A little help from your side will encourage me to create many more paintings. I thank you all for watching my video. Happy painting to everyone. This painting is all about adding details in layers. You have to concentrate for long period of time. Painting is more of a process than a skill. You have to understand your style and proceed in a pre-planned way. Now watch and enjoy the video.